Jai Hind everyone. Dear students, today we will discuss about the Arden's theorem. Myself Amit Goyal. Arden's theorem is used in automata theory to convert finite automata into regular expression. हमारे पास अगर कोई finite automata है तो we can convert it into the equivalent regular expression by using the Arden's theorem. This is the standard theorem of the Arden's theorem. If we have two regular expression R and Q, then and it is of the form R equals to Q plus RP, then we have the unique solution R equals to QP star where P does not contain epsilon. ठीक है, अगर कोई इस तरह का आपका एक्सप्रेशन है R equals to Q plus RP तो उसका सोल्यूशन क्या आता है R equals to QP star. कंडीशन क्या है कि आपका P नल नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है, एप्सिलॉन नहीं होना चाहिए. What is the proof over there? Let us suppose this is R equals to Q plus RP. Okay. Now put the value of R into the equation number 1. So we get R equals to Q plus RP और P. ठीक, P वाला बाहर जो है, ठीक. When we open it, it becomes R equals to QP plus RP power 2. ये power 1 है. Again, we will put the value of R in this equation. Let us suppose this is equation number 2. So put the value of R in equation number 2. So it becomes R equals to QP power 1 plus R की वैल्यू कितनी है? Q plus RP, okay, और P square. So when we will open it, it becomes R equals to QP की power 1 plus QP की power 2 plus RP की power 3. When we will open again n number of times, then we will have the equation like R equals to QP 1 plus QP 2 plus QP 3 and so on, right? So what we will do, we will take common Q from this equation. So ऐसा Q कॉमन लिया तो यहाँ क्या बचा? नल प्लस P की पावर 1 प्लस P की पावर 2 प्लस P की पावर 3 and so on. Now what it becomes? It becomes P star, clean star. So we can write this value as P star. So here R equals to Q P star. Okay. So this is the proof of the given theorem. Now what is the purpose? It helps solve regular expression equations derived from state equation of the finite automata. What are the conditions which I have already discussed? Equation must be in the form of R equals to Q plus RP. P should not contain null and used for solving regular expression. Steps to apply the Arden's theorem. First, we have to form the equation. Again, step number 2, we have to rearrange the equation as per the requirement. Number 3, we will apply the Arden's theorem, and after applying n number of times Arden's theorems, we will get the required regular expression. Let us suppose to try to understand with the help of the given example. Find the regular expression for the transition diagram given. In the given diagram, this is the DFA, we have 4 states. So from the given diagram, the finite automata appears to have Q1, Q2, Q3. There are 4 states where Q1 is the start state and also it is the accepting or the final state Q1. तो करना क्या है इसके अंदर? We will start from the state Q1, ठीक, और we will have to find the expression for the final state. So in that particular example, Q1 is start and accepting state is also Q1. ठीक है, तो Q1 से स्टार्ट करेंगे और Q1 का ही हम एक्सप्रेशन निकाल लेंगे. ठीक. One thing we have to remember, in the initial state which is Q1 in that particular question, we have to add null, right? तो पहले क्या करते हैं, इसकी इक्वेशन बना लेते हैं. These are the transitions. जैसे ट्रांजिशन आपका इनकमिंग, आपको ट्रांजिशन देखते हैं यहाँ पे Q1 कितना आ रहा है? Q1 इक्वल्स टू Q2B, ठीक है, और Q3A. तो Q1 इक्वल्स टू Q2A let us rewrite the equation. This is the Q1 equals to, first we have to add null Q2B plus Q3A. So इनकमिंग एरो देखना है कौन सा आ रहा है इसके अंदर, Q2B लेकर आ रहा है, B के साथ Q2, तो Q2B, और Q3 के साथ A के साथ Q3 आ रहा है, तो Q3A. ठीक है, इक्वेशन नंबर 1 फॉर Q1, null प्लस Q2B प्लस Q3, ये दिस इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Q2 इक्वेशन लिखते हैं तो इन द Q2 we will have one incoming arrow which is coming from Q1 with symbol A. So what will be the equation? Q2 equals to Q1A. Similarly for Q3 we will have only one incoming equation from Q1. So what will be the equation? Q3 equals to Q1B. ठीक है, तो Q2 equals to Q1A equation number 2 for equation 2 and Q3B equals to Q1B for equation number 3 for state Q3. Now on the state Q4 we have one loop with two symbols AB. So two incomings are there. One is from Q2 with symbol A and one is from Q3 with symbol B. So they have four different. Two is from Q4, one is from Q2 and one is from Q3. So what will be the equation of Q4? Q2A plus Q3B plus Q4A. अगर लूप है तो अलग अलग लिखना है, Q4A plus Q4B. Well we will rearrange, it becomes Q2A Q3B. यहाँ से Q4 कॉमन लिया तो Q4 ब्रैकेट में A plus B. ठीक है, A plus will be there, A plus B is question number 4. Now we have to find the expression for the state Q1 because Q1 is the accepting state or the final state. So what we require here, Q2 is there and Q3 is there. Now put the value of Q2 and Q3 in equation number 1. What we will get? Q1 equals to, null is there. What is the value of Q2? Q1A. Q1A. So we will put Q1A और B यहाँ पर है ऑलरेडी, तो it becomes Q1AB. Put the value of Q3. The value of Q3 is Q1B. It is Q1B. And A is already there. So we will have Q1BA. Okay. Null is there. Take Q1 as common. It becomes AB plus BA. Okay. Now we can compare this equation with the standard Arden's theorem. ठीक है, कैसे? Let us suppose this is R equals to, this becomes Q plus, this is already R and this is P. So when we compare, we will get the values of R, Q and P. So R equals to Q1, P equals to null, Q equals to null and P equals to AB plus BA. This is Q, okay. So if R equals to QP is there, we will get the solution R equals to QP star. So Q is null over there and P is AB plus BA का star. ठीक है, when we multiply by null it becomes AB plus BA. So this is the required regular expression for the given FA AB plus BA का whole star. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे क्या मतलब इसका? It can contain null. By this regular expression we can find the strings. So we can have null over there, we can have single AB or BA or combination of AB plus BA. So AB, BA or AB two times we can take AB and so on. This type of strings it will accept. So in the given diagram we can see it is accepting null, accepting A, B, accepting B, A, AB also accepting, BA also accepting, AB is also accepting. ठीक है, so by this Arden's theorem we can find out the regular expression Q1 This is the accepting and the final state. Q2, Q3. The 0 is coming over there. 1 is going to on Q2. 1 is on the self loop. 0 is from on Q3. Its 0 is go to Q1 and 1 is goes to 1. Okay. So this is one more example. We have the DFAs over there. So first what we have to do? We have to make the equation. So what will be the equation over there? Q1 equals to, we have to add null because it is the initial state. Two states are coming. Number 1 is Q3 0 plus Q1 0. This is equation number 1. For Q2, how many incoming arrows are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So the equation will be Q1 1 plus Q2 1 plus Q3 1. Equation number 2. Now for state Q3, we will have one incoming arrow, so it becomes Q3 0. Right? So we have 3 equations are there. Now what we require over there? We require the value of Q3 to solve the state Q1 expression or this equation. For Q3, it is Q2 0. Q2 0. ठीक. सो Q3 Q1 निकालने के लिए Q3 चाहिए और Q3 निकालने के लिए Q2 चाहिए हमें. तो what we will do? We will put the value of Q3 into equation number 2. We will get Q2 equals to Q11 plus Q21 plus the value of Q3 is Q2 0. तो it becomes Q2 0 और 1 ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर है, 1 यहाँ पर है, तो Q2 0 1. ठीक है. Now we are going to rearrange this. Take Q2 common. So what we will get? 1 plus 0 1 plus Q1 1. Now we can Q1 1 plus Q2, इसको मैंने rearrange किया again. ठीक है. Now we can compare with the standard equation R equals to Q. It becomes Q. This is R. This is P. So what is the solution? Q2 equals to QP star. तो Q कितना है? Q1 1 और P star कितना हो गया? P है 1 plus 0 1. Is star. So what is the value of? Let us suppose this is equation number 4. Q2 equals to Q1 1 1 plus 0 1 का whole star. Now put this value of Q3. Put the value of Q3 in equation number 1. Put the value of Q3 in equation number 1. So what is the value of Q3? Q3 is equals to Q2 0. Q2 कितना हो गया अब? Q1 1 1 plus 0 1 का star and 0. So this is the new value of Q3. Put this value of Q3 in equation number 2. So what we will get? Q2 equals to Q1 1 plus, sorry, I have to put the value of Q3 in equation number 1. So Q3 equation is Q1 plus null plus Q3 0 null plus Q3 0 plus Q1 0. Now put the value of Q3. So it becomes Q1 equals to null plus value of Q3 is Q11, 1 plus 0 1 का star and 0. Again one more 0 is there plus Q1 0. Okay. Break. ठीक. So now we rearrange this. Take Q1 common over there. We will have 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 1 का star 0 0. Okay. So this is Q1. Compare with the standard equation R equals to Q plus this is R and this is complete P. What is the solution? R equals to Q P star. So Q1 equals to Q is null, P is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 1 का star 0 0 का whole star. ठीक है. So the right hand side is free from the any state and this is the solution for the state Q1 which is the accepting state. So the required regular expression is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 1 का star 0 0 का whole star. This is the final answer. ठीक है. तो by this way you can find out the solution. For you, I am giving you one question जो आपको अपना आप करना है. Find the regular expression for the given finite automata. ठीक है. So in this we will have the four states Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. This is the initial state. This is the final state. So 0 is going to again Q1. 1 is there. 0. 1 is having self loop. 0 is going to state Q1 and 1 is going to state Q4. From state Q4, 0 is going to Q1 and 1 is going to state Q2. So you have to find this solution. Okay. Thank you very much.